Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to sell Pokemon cards on Mercari using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the Mercari app on the phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap on Sales, then go to List an item. Start by taking clear photos of your Pokemon cards. Make sure to show them front and back and any special features like holographic detail or rare edition. Good lighting helps your card looks more appealing. Next, write a detailed title and description. Include the card name, set, edition, and condition. Be honest about any damage because buyers appreciate transparency. Set a fair price. Check the other Pokemon cards on Mercari to see how much similar cards are selling for. If you want faster sales, consider starting slightly lower than average price. Choose your shipping method. Mercari lets you select prepaid labels, which makes shipping simple and safe for both you and the buyer. Before posting, make sure your listing is accurate and complete. Then tap List Item to put your Pokemon card up for sale. And that's it. By taking clear photos, writing honest description, pricing fairly, and communicating well, you can successfully sell Pokemon cards on Mercari using a phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.